Hey everyone, Zach here with Fairing Screen Gustafsson. We've got another video on our BMW S1000XR windshields. This video is specifically going to be about the installation. We've got another video where we go over an overview of the windshield, so if you want to check that out, the link to that video is in the description below, along with the link to our website. So let's get started on the installation. As you can see here, we've got two people working on it. That's going to make the job a lot easier, just less things to worry about. So Bill's holding the windshield, and I'm getting started with the mounting bolts. The most important thing is we're going to want to start with the lower mounting holes to keep the windshield in place so we can install the top bolts with the top spacers. The other thing to note is we've already taken out the grommets and the collars from the stock windshield and transferred them over to the new one before we got started putting it on. Okay, so here's the three clowns trying to figure out if we want to use the spacers or not. Ultimately, we did decide to use them, so they're pretty easy. Once you have the bottom bolts in the windshield, you just slip the spacer in behind the windshield and then you can put the bolt in. It was a little tricky lining it up, but once we got it, it's in there. And then we'll put the other spacer in the other side and tighten that one down. And now we're just alternating between all of them, slowly tighten them all. They do have the collars in them, so you can tighten them pretty good, but you definitely don't want to over tighten them. Here's just the final torquing in. So I hope that helped explain the quick installation of the BMW S1000XR windshields. The windshield does come pre-drilled, and we include some custom spacers for the top holes, so you've got everything you need to install the windshield. But if you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email and we can get a new windshield made up for you.